second scene, so all of you were here for the winter scene. It was very successful, and we have a little bit different look this time. Yes, as Principal Miller said, we have the lights and we have the new risers. And we look up here, we have some professional microphones. We're going to try to get a better audio recording that we can send to all of you as well. And these kiddos have been working really hard on this show that we're going to put on. So it's a little bit different. It's more of a play because we are celebrating our school building's 100th year anniversary. So it's a lot of dedication and infrastructure in the community to keep a building and a school going for 100 years. So that's really incredible. So we are going to be putting on more of a play than just a scene today. So we are going to be talking about a century of music and highlighting music throughout the century. So with that, I would like to say thank you to SOFA. SOFA has been fantastic. This is the reason why this exists. All of you are SOFA, so it's not just the board, it's all of you. And please continue to donate your time and money and vote if you can to keep these incredible enrichments going at our school because it's very, very important. So I really thank you. Every dime that you give and every dollar that we receive goes back into these programs that really highlights the education of the students. So it's very, very exciting. All right, so with that, I will turn it over to the third grade for a century of music.
Welcome, for I am the school spirit of Sherman Oaks Elementary Charter. I'd like to take you on a journey as our school building is turning 100 years old with a celebration by the SOEC Youth Fund as we celebrate a century of music.
What was a song that was popular at the time our school was built?
Let's listen to this 1929 tune by the SOEC Youth Fund.
Dressed up like a $1 billion trooper, trying hard to look like Gary Cooper. Super duper, up let's mix the Rockefellers, walk the sticks or umbrellas in their midst. Putting on the Ritz, putting on the Ritz, putting on the Ritz.
Wow, great song. Now I'm curious how music developed in the 1970s.
Well, let's take a listen to this 1970s disco hit about staying alive at Sherman Oaks Elementary. this thing. Oh no! I've been rickrolled!
We're no strangers to love. You know the rules, and so do I. A full commitment's what I'm thinking of. You wouldn't get this from any other guy. I just wanna tell you how I'm feeling. Gotta make you understand. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna let you down. Never gonna run around and desert you. Never gonna make you cry. Never gonna say goodbye. Never gonna tell a lie and hurt you.
Oh no, I'm getting a message. I must check.
Desert you. Never gonna make you cry. Never gonna say goodbye. Never gonna tell a lie and hurt you.
It takes a lot of dedication for a school to last 100 years, and it is fitting our mascot is Tiger. Let's turn it over to the SOE's jukebox one more time for a modern song that inspires to keep moving forward.
Dancing through the fire, 'cause I am a champion, and you're gonna hear me roar louder, louder than a lion. 'Cause I am a champion, and you're gonna hear me You're gonna hear me You're gonna hear me
Well, that took me back